Welcome back to the checkout guide. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to create 5% discount up to 200 with no minimum purchase requirement. So if you're new to the channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So for this, I have used Next Capping Discounts app from Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link of this app in the description box. You can check it out. Once installed, then go to your Shopify admin panel. Then click on Next Discounts app. Then click on create new discount. Then give it a title like flat 5% off. You can select discount type, discount code or automatic discount. Here I am selecting discount code. I am adding the same title here. Then click on percentage. Then you can enter the discount amount, that is 5%, and capping amount will be 200. Then select discount applies to all products. Then click on no minimum purchase requirements, all customers. Then you can also limit number of times this discount can be used in total, and you can also limit it to one use per customer. If you want to set the start date and time and end date and time, here you can set that. And if you want to combine this product discount with any another discount like your order discount, shopping discount or product discount, then you can add that. Then click on Save button. Now we will test this setup on our online store. Go to catalog. Now we will add a product to the cart which will exceeds the capping amount. Now we will enter the full address. Then we will enter the discount code here. So as you know, 5% of 5,000 is 250, but here it will only show 200 because we have set the rule of capping amount is 200. So it will not exceed the capping amount. Now we will test any another product which is lying in between the capping amount. For example, this one. Click on buy it now. We will enter the address. And then enter the discount code. So as you know, 5% of 2000 is 100. So the 100 discount has been applied. So that's it. You have successfully set up 5% flat discount on 200 with no minimum purchase requirements. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy selling.